In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color in Google Calendar. Color coding your calendar is a simple way to make your schedule more readable at a glance. Whether you're separating work from personal events or highlighting important reminders, this quick update can save you time and reduce visual clutter. Start by going to Google Calendar in your web browser on a computer. Once the calendar loads, look to the left side of the screen for the list of calendars. This panel usually shows sections like My Calendars and Other Calendars. Each calendar listed there has its own controls, and that's where you'll make the change. Find the calendar you want to update and click the three-dot icon next to its name. This icon opens a small menu of options just for that specific calendar. If you have multiple calendars, double-check the name so you're editing the correct one. The change you make here will affect how all events on that calendar appear in your main view, both existing and new ones. In the menu that appears, you'll see a selection of preset colors. Click any color to apply it right away. If you'd like something more specific, click the plus sign to create a custom color. A color picker will open where you can fine-tune the exact shade. This is helpful if you're matching a brand color or aiming for better contrast. You can drag the slider to adjust hue, move the selector to change brightness and saturation, or enter a color code if you know it. As you choose, think about readability. Darker colors with lighter text, or vice versa, often stand out best on a busy calendar. After choosing your preferred color, click Save. This confirms your selection and applies it to the calendar. You should see the change instantly. Every event tied to that calendar will switch to the new color throughout your current view. If you customize the color and don't click Save, the change won't stick, so make sure to confirm before closing the picker. That's all it takes. You can repeat the same process for any other calendar in your list to build a clear, consistent color scheme. A quick tip: use distinct colors for the calendars you check most often and avoid very similar shades for different calendars to prevent mix-ups. With just a few clicks, your Google Calendar becomes more organized and much easier to scan. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly color-coded schedule.